Hello everybody and welcome to MakisToys. As you can tell by my squeaky chair and the bowl is back. That means we're going to be making something now. I have two things. I have this 24 karat egg coloring kit and a really bright light over the head. Yeah. And then this pack of glitter glue classic Elmer's. Now, this is a little, it's popular, I guess. Anybody who knows that YouTuber, Sandy, like, she makes slimes. She made a gold slime. I was gonna try to make a spin-off on that, which is it's inspired by it, so I'm gonna give her a little bit of credit, say that, you inspired me to make this egg. She used, some more expensive stuff, but I'm gonna go with the cheap stuff, so that's why we have the egg coloring kit. You know why? Because of this little bad boy right there, the golden glaze. I am assuming that because these eggs are shiny, that I can get my slime to be shiny by pulling out the glaze and using it in with slime mixture. So it's gonna have, oh, that's not a lot, but we'll see what we can do. Comes with the coloring, the food coloring, but I'm not really interested in that because I have a feeling it has to do with citric acid, and that's a no-go when you're making slime. So, what do we got first? Okay, we're going to do is make a really loud squeaky chair noise. We're gonna go grab a bottle of clear Elmer's glue, and we are going to put that glue inside. Oh, yeah. Let's make sounds with it. Oh, goodness. So, what I've learned from this is that there's no right or wrong, but the suggested amount of water is to fill up the container that you got the glue out of. Well, for clear glue at least. I'm pouring it off camera because this is some hot water in this water bottle. And I'm not gonna risk burning my hands with it. So, just gonna shake it around, shake it around, shake it around, and then we're going to add that water. See, that ain't glue, it pours like water. So, what we effectively did was got any of the straggling amounts of glue left over, and then we're going to add, let's go with half of this because I don't really feel like using it all right now. I feel like it could come into use. I want to try it with a clear, like a regular. That's grody. I guess you gotta shake it first. It probably says on there. It probably says shake somewhere. No? Does it say shake? Before opening, mix contents thoroughly by alternating the pouch. There's Mackie for you, not reading the directions. Okay, so we have added, let's go a little more. Okay, let's just see what it looks like. Oh. Okay. That actually looks pretty decent. And then we'll add some of these. We'll add. Let's go with the gold because we're making gold. Yeah, so now it's ironic. Well, not really ironic, but silly. Oh lord. Oh yeah. Then I gotta do the. Okay. Let's see if I get over the top yet. Nope. Nope. Oh. Okay. Mac needs to get some scissors. I have a feeling that someone, if anybody ever watches my video, they're gonna be like, but Mackie, you could have just twisted that. Well, I tried to twist it and it didn't work. So we're gonna mix that around. Oh, why am I putting the cap on? It's gone. Garbage can. Get this all nice and dispersed. Let's add a little bit more of this gold. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna save the rest. Boy, oh boy, did that make it look nice. He's like, why go with the expensive stuff when you can go to Walmart, buy the egg kit for like a few bucks. Like, literally, not even expensive at all. Like, orange? Yeah, orange. Like, I get it that people want to be different, but different doesn't mean you have to spend a ton of money. I mean, some people are going to be like, oh man, I got myself like a $400 wallet. Like big deal. Just because you want to be different doesn't mean, you know, you're better than anyone. Same thing with the slime. It's like, just because you want to spend 70 or 80 bucks on some of this stuff doesn't mean you're not gonna, like, doesn't mean you're automatically better than the person who, like, tries to do it cheaply. I mean, like, this looks great off camera. On camera, not picking up so well. So to keep the integrity of the shine. Oh, come on. There we go. We're gonna add some baby oil. Probably too much, but oh well. That should soften it up and also make it shinier. Oops. Hit my camera. Kind of looks like I'm beating up eggs. Okay. Now it doesn't look all nice and pretty and fantastic right now because